Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the KINEDU app review to save it what using. So to get started with the in-depth review about the KINEDU app. So to get started, the KINEDU app is a well-designed early childhood development tools that gives parents and caregivers a personalized daily activities plan, milestone tracking, and expert-led videos to help support a baby's growth. You can log feeding, sleep, and progress while exploring hundreds of age-appropriate activities backed by research. Many parents praise it for making development guidance easy to follow and for offering a fresh ideas to keep their little ones engaged. On the downside, the free version is limited, and unlocking the full library and live classes required a paid subscription that some find pricey. A few users also mention occasional glitches or that not every suggested activities fit their child's need. And here's one intake. It's worth it if you want a structured, science-backed guidance for your baby development, but casual user may find free resource elsewhere and sufficient. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.